In this demo, we want to show how you can realize an upselling campaign with SAP Data Hub. We have a customer base of electric cars and want to sell them battery updates, and we want to use IoT data to select suitable candidates for our campaign. Here we see the SAP Data Hub Metadata Explorer. On the dashboard, you get an overview of the status of the system and can see all connected systems. We can connect to classical SAP systems like BW, S/4HANA, but also to cloud-based solutions like Asset Intelligence Network or IoT services. And furthermore, we allow connections to external sources like S3 buckets stored on AWS. For this campaign, we want to use IoT telemetry data, and we first have to look what data we have available for this campaign. And definitely, IoT telemetry data from a car might contain something like speed information. So let's use the search feature of Metadata Explorer to find all data sets that have something to do with speed. And here you can see multiple results returned. So we have, for example, simulation data from the engine simulation, or we have validation data coming from manufacturing. But for example, here we also have vehicle telemetry data from our live customer. So that's, I think, what we want to use in our campaign. We can get, thanks to the fact sheet, we can get a brief overview what's in the data set. So here we see all the different column types of the data set, the number of rows, and we get a detailed schema information with some statistics like the minimum and maximum value, the data quality, where we have nulls and blank values, the number of distinct values. And for example, if you look at the column driving mode, you can also see the top distinct values. For example, we have normal, Eco 1 and Eco 2. And customers driving Eco 2 mode are usually short of running out of battery capacity. So these customers might be ideal candidates for our campaign. And to better know what we are dealing with the data, we can also get a preview of the first 100 rows of our data set. And to drive the campaign, we are using the pipeline feature of Data Hub. And in this pipeline, we take the IoT data and process it, combine it with data from SAP Asset Intelligence Network, which contains information like installed battery configuration and other characteristics of the cars, and also planned maintenance intervals where we could install and upgrade. And furthermore, we combine this with data from our S4 system, where we have, for example, availability information of the batteries. All this data is combined and analyzed using machine learning, and then we make a selection of candidates and send it to SAP Sales Cloud to trigger the upselling. To get a better understanding what the pipeline does, we can add a terminal for debugging reasons. So Data Hub comes with many predefined operators. You can see some of them here on the left. And let's just take the terminal, drag and drop it into the screen, and connect it to the existing pipeline. Now we just need to save it and run the pipeline. In a few seconds, the pipeline will start up and be running. And now we can open the terminal and actually see the data coming out of our pipeline and flowing to C4. And thanks to the intelligent enterprise, the car dealer now has every information available he or she needs to close the deal. So for our customers, we have some statistical usage information, some more information about the customer, like his favorite topics. And also we get a suggestion what we want to upsell, which battery size we want to sell. And right from this screen, we can also start a video chat with the customer and afterwards directly close the deal. Thanks for watching.